Hello, Rutgers. I'm Weatherwatcher James Gause, bringing you the forecast on this rainy April 7th of 2022. So let's dive right into it. What's happening right now in New Brunswick, besides the rain you've been seeing all day, is more rain with 47 degrees, bringing us a humidity of 100% with noticeable winds from the east-northeast. Looking at the headlines, we are expecting to see some thunderstorms tonight, as I will get into on the Futurecast, with some spotty showers Friday and Saturday following this system. It will be much warmer next week, thankfully. Looking at the current temps for the Garden State, we are seeing a 55 down in Wildwood, stretching up to a 49 in Sussex. Not too much variation from this rain hanging on today. Looking at the Futurecast, we'll see the storm get pretty intense around 9:30 p.m. That's where we might see some thunderstorms coming by, maybe hear some rumbles. I'm looking forward to it. That storm will clear out by Friday early morning, bring us maybe some sun will peek through Friday. But spotty showers will continue to follow this system as it tries to leave. Let's take a bigger look at what's happening. Over the whole country, there's that system starting out over Nebraska. It will continue our way. Most of the rain will clear out, but then Friday, here's those spotty showers I was talking about. They're going to hit our state all throughout the day Friday. They will continue into Saturday and just hang around. So expect some showers here and there Friday, Saturday. Nothing too heavy, though. I don't think it would hinder my plans if I were going outside. Looking at the precipitation totals, we are going to see 1.61 inches of rain accumulate by 11:30 p.m. tonight, with some spotty showers bringing us up to 1.78 by the time all the rain is done on Sunday morning. As I step away for the 7-day forecast, there's that small chance of rain we have on Friday, Saturday with those spotty showers. A little colder on Sunday, but then the warmth will come back as next week begins with partly sunny conditions, working us up to a high of 75 on Tuesday. I cannot wait. It will end the week with some clouds on Thursday. Be sure to check us out on all of our social media platforms. I have been Weather Watcher James Gause. Have a great rest of your day, Rutgers.